Hi everyone and welcome to the Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the AppInstaller UI so you can deliver a unique installation experience for your users. Previously, customizing the AppInstaller UI required manually editing an XML file and adding it to your MSIX application. But with Advanced Installer, you can do the customization directly through its graphical user interface. No XML editing is required. To do this, select the MSIX build, go to the AppInstaller tab, and check the Use Custom UI option. Once checked, you'll notice a list of possible configuration options. Let's try a few of them. For instance, you can make the app name appear in the installer window title. The Launch When Ready checkbox position can be changed. Let's set the accent color. We can set a logo for the app installer. Let's add additional text on the install button. And finally, let's set the window button's alignment and orientation. After making all the changes, build the project to generate the MSIX package. Now let's run it. And here's the customized AppInstaller UI. For comparison, here's the default one. As you can see, the modifications were successfully applied, from the button and checkbox positions to the logo and the app name in the installer window title. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.